All right, happy weekend to you here from here at Onif TV. Okay, maybe we should just do a follow up on what's happening in River State because it's hot. It's a hot cake. It's the hot seat at the moment. Fubara, you no send anybody again. As it be now, self. Blessing, I just he just dey do your own thing. He no mind anybody. I think now he seemed to have gotten a lot of backings. I mean, just like he has from people like us who are thinking straight. I mean, thinking the way people should think naturally. Think free, you understand? Not thinking loyalty to somebody. The one single person that we owe our loyalty to is God. You understand? So I see no reason why somebody should stand as God in my life. You understand? So Fubara has relocated the sitting place, the sitting location of the River State's House of Assembly lawmakers to the government house. That's number one. Number two, police are taking over the lawmakers' quarters. Police had barricaded both all the gates that lead into those places, I think, at the order of the governor. And the third thing that has happened in that place is that there's been a court injunction. Now I think that the courts in Port Harcourt, in River State, are, they are working with the governor and working with the current administration in the state. They had issued an injunction to Amaule, or what's his name, the embattled, let me call him the embattled one, because there's been a new faction of River State lawmakers. These were lawmakers that their seats were declared vacant when they decamped to the APC the last time, just before President Bola Ahmed Tinubu waded into the issues between Fubara and his predecessor, Federal Capital Territory Minister Nyesom Wike. And so the court had now issued a judgment saying that, look, Amaole's faction must not sit, have any sitting whatsoever anywhere, because these guys could be very, very funny. They could go to one of them's house and say they are sitting for the House of Assembly. They are sitting. They can go anywhere and say they are sitting. You understand? So he has said that there must be nothing of such. There must be nothing of such. That judgment, and I believe that judgment stands. And so we'll see what happens in the coming days, because just like we always say, look, you see, until we get to that point where we allow the law of the land, we must allow the law of the land to speak, and we must allow the law to have its course, to have its way, in the place of godfatherism and all of that. You see, if there's one problem that has kept us, on the spot, that has kept us moving in circles as a nation, even as a nation, is this issue of godfatherism and godfatherism and godfatherism. And so I was discussing with somebody today, though I will not break it down fully, what was discussed, and was saying that, look, when this person was there, he had a godfather. When this person was there, he had a godfather. But now this person has gotten there now. There's no godfather. You see, because a lot of people don't think deep. You understand? We just do things. We just act. We just take actions. We don't think. We don't think deep. We don't look at things from different perspectives. So it comes out to boomerang in our face, and then we now start looking like, like we don't have brains, or we never thought about it in the first place. Yes, we didn't think deep about certain things. And so we take certain decisions in life that we didn't think about. That's the truth. We take decisions that we never thought about. So we have results that we never expected. That's the truth. And it has been said that, look, you can't think in a particular direction and expect a different result. You can't do things in a particular way and expect a different result. And that's the principle of life. Very, very important. And so what is happening in River State is actually something that has to be dealt with once and for all. That somebody will come to office, whether it stays for 4 years or stays for 8 years. Once you finish, go back to your house. Where are the likes of Peter Odili? Where are the likes of Donald Dukes, or the Duke of the Cross River? Where are the likes of Amechi? Where is he? Where is he? How come Wike, who came yesterday, is the one that is claiming, or that is now the one to whom everybody has to be loyal to? I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. Because there were people, he also had predecessors. He also had predecessors who had spent 4, 5, 8 years in office. So how come Wike coming yesterday? Because I say yesterday because he just left. How come Wike coming yesterday has now become, the almighty person to whom everybody in River State, politics has to bow to. It shouldn't be. Just the same way every other person came and left, they too should come and go and let everybody. And you see, I tell you, time is ticking. Fubara will soon be done and it will soon go. So all this blah blah blah, all this English grammar that everybody is blowing and shooting, tantrums at each other, it will have to come to an end. You see, when he finishes his tenure and he goes back to his house, will you going to be talking to him in his house? Do one thing or say one thing. He will do his own thing, and I like him for doing what he's doing. He already marked the year in office, and he's doing his own thing. Just continue, Mr. Governor. Please just continue. I believe God is with you, and because there is nobody that is in power that God does not know anything about. So let's just see how things pan out. Don't worry. Feel free to drop your comment, make them simple and simple. And please do drop your comments, and also please share videos with others. We'll appreciate you. God bless you. Enjoy the rest of your weekend from us here at ONIF TV. God bless you. Bye-bye.